Keep talking like you're doing normal stuff. Well, you told her off. What was that all about, Candy? Cubby. Put your light over there so I can see better. Oh, she's making up for it. She's kissing on him. Something was going on. I think she has something. Hey, what's going on over there? You having a lover spat?
I don't have